DJ Darcy.
Hey babes, welcome back to this tutorial. So as you can see, I already washed my hair the night before. I let it air dry overnight, and now I'm about to start blow drying it. I use a wipe to kind of detangle it just a little bit. It was actually fine. I use this hairspray that I got from BoxyCharm. It's a heat protection spray, super duper dope. And I got this beautiful air blow drying, I don't know how it's called. Honestly, it will be in my description box, like the link exactly to this Amazon product. But I definitely got it because it was not working out, this whole blow drying and the comb thingy. This is so much easier, and it brings down my blow drying time from 1 hour to 30 minutes. And it honestly gets out all the little tangles and just make it very slick for me to straighten it. I love it so much. Honestly, you should get it. If you don't have it, girl, I just put you on. So I section my hair, as you can see, and I'm doing every section. I'm definitely fast forwarding this so that you don't see this whole process, but you can see how it's going. Look how luscious and voluminous and slick it looks. I love it so much. Now I'm gonna head over to the second section, and it's super explanatory. Honestly, just section your hair, wide tooth comb, put the heat protection spray, and use this beautiful blow drying comb situation I'm gonna put in the description box, and just blow dry your hair. I like to start with like the middle section and then do my bottoms and then do the roots. I find that easier for myself. Everybody will have their own technique, but that's the technique that I use and it works for me. So yeah. I love the way my hair is looking. This blow drying skill is amazing. Definitely, if you get it, please comment down below. I want to see who got this, because this is it, guys. You will never go back to a regular blow dryer. That's for sure. That's for shizzle. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, it's time to straighten my hair. So I'm gonna do this in 1, 2, 3, click. Alright, so basically I straightened my hair. I didn't do it bone straight just because it's going up on the ponytail, so like I didn't need it to have it bone straight, which is all good. So I'm gonna do a side part. I got it inspired actually by Jodie Sparks. If I find her video, I'm gonna put it, or her picture, I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see. So I got inspired by her look, so I'm just like, I want to do that. So I parted my hair where I want it to be, which is on this side. What we're gonna do here is that we're gonna section off our front hair into its own little section. So when I do my, I'm not gonna do like a whole swoop, but when I do my swoop, let me take away the excess hair. Alright, so I'm gonna be working with this section of my hair for my swoop, which is good. So we're going to pin this. Alright, and then my hair is gonna go back, so I'm gonna use my Kadore comb. I like seeing that. The fact that I have a comb is crazy. So we're gonna take this side and flip it over. I'm gonna use my Kadore shameless plug edge control brush, and then I'm just gonna sweep out my baby hair, just to remember to do them after. So I think that's good enough baby hair. Perfect. So I'm just gonna push my hair back on each side. Actually, let me pin this even better. So now we're just gonna brush the other side. So like I said, we're doing a pony. Honestly, I don't know how high I want my pony, so let's try to figure that out first. How high do you want your pony, Kathy? Do you want it high like this? I feel like high like this would be just fine. You know what I mean? I think that would be fine. I'm using my elastic just to put my hair really quickly backwards, like just to tie it up, sorry, just to tie it up. All right, so we're gonna use some Got To Be. I don't even know where the cap is but we're gonna use some Got To Be, and then you're just gonna kind of put it down on your hair. All right, so you're just gonna kind of run through the glue like all over your hair just to make it really slick. Use your brush and slick it back. Like, I love hard bristles brush because it just really like slicks the hair back. So I love those kind of brushes. But yeah, so this is pretty easy. So I'm going to take my edge control spray this side. Alright, so we're just gonna spray it and slick it back again with the bristle brush, make it really slick, and then tie it now hard with the elastic, make it very tight so it doesn't go anywhere. Also, one thing I like to do is I like to take the blow dryer and really put some hot air on the glue. I like doing that just because it makes the hair really hard and strong and it sticks. Like, I don't need to wrap it, like just this method alone gives me that hard and straight look. Perfect, now it's like rock hard. I love it. I'm gonna take off my clips and then I'm gonna start with my bangs. So I'm going to comb it out and then put some Got To Be glue on my hair, and then I'm gonna spray just to make sure I tame all my hair and get all these flyaways out and just make it more easy to pin it back, if you get what I mean. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take some pins and just pin it back, and then my hair is pretty long so I kind of have to do some next level pinning in the back but we are good. Look at that. Now it's time for the edges. So honestly, I didn't do anything major, just really basic, just two little whoop whoop, and then that's what I have. I ended up curling my hair just to make it match better with the pony I'm about to show you in a few seconds. Alright, so here's the body wave Kadore ponytail. It has a long mesh in the interior and it has a clip just for easier clippability, and it has a velcro with hair on it just to make it easier to really wrap your hair around it. I love it so much. It's the best invention that somebody could have done for ponytails. Honestly, no more elastic ponytail. This is a game changer, guys. These ponytails will come in body wave, straight, and deep wave, and also in 100 and 200 grams. I'm currently wearing a 200 gram 18-inch body wave. Well done. This is the look, guys. I love these Kadore ponytails because it's so easy. Whether you keep your hair straight or you make it into a ball, it still covers. That's why I have this like whole long thing at the back, because it literally covers your hair. That's why I love it so much. Like, my hair is literally hidden and it literally adds volume to my hair. So that's why I love it. I love this so much. O to the M to the M to the G. I hope that you subscribe to our email list, that whenever those Kadore ponytails come out this summer, you'll be notified so you can get yours. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you do recreate this look because it was super duper easy and I just love it. It's so classy, so elegant, so sophisticated and everything. Anyways, catch you guys later. Bye.